Lesson 2, Topic D, Users and Settings. Welcome back to Lesson 2, Topic D, Users and Settings. I am not going to go over the Users section in too much detail as most business owners starting out do not have any staff or external contractors involved, so we will keep it very basic. Let's visit the Users section by clicking here on the sidebar. Here you will find your list of user accounts. When you click on your account name, you can edit information here such as name, profile picture, password and more. Let's move on to the Settings section. There are many settings you can adjust here, but there are only a few important ones that we are going to focus on. First, click Settings tab to go to the General Settings. Here you can change the name of your website and its tagline. It's good to double check your email to ensure that it is the one you want to receive most of your email notifications pertaining to your website. The last important thing I like to check is the time zone so that everything matches the time where you are located. Now, the next Settings tab that we're going to look at is called Permalinks. Click here to access permalinks. This is how your pages will be attached to the domain. As you can see, it is normally standard to have it marked as plain, but you are going to want to change this to post name. That is all we have to do here for permalinks. We are now complete Topic D. Congratulations, you have completed Lesson 2, First Steps with WordPress. Our next lesson is Lesson 3, Building Your Web Pages.